Hello guys! You are watching our favorite episode. Today we're making a fan. Look! Like using some for the strips. Now I'm going to show the ingredients. We want 2 strips like these. And on the ends we had to cut like a triangle. Keep it here then. We want some paper. You can take any color you want, or you can take rainbow colors. And you can take some flowers. You have to cut some flowers, or you can buy some flowers too. And you can make like a rainbow or any color you want. And we want some glue. Look at the glue and we have some Q-tips. Q-tips, but we don't want Q-tips because this paintbrush is not doing goodly, so we got it. Okay, now we're going to make it. We're gonna make it. First, make it like this, and make it more. Again, okay. Ask your moms to make this strip because it's a little bit tricky. So, and fold it again. And just fold it again. But this is not how we're gonna make it, okay, babe? This is a little bit tricky for me and your mommy too, and it's gonna be some strips here. And here it is. And now some take off like this. Now let's take off. It's a pretty padding, but we're still not ready. First, keep like this. And like this, keep like this, and like this, keep like this, and like this, keep like this, and like this, keep like this. Make like this. Come on. Okay, she's almost done, and now done. Now let's keep like this. Can I have it for a little? I'm gonna make it goodly too. Okay. I'm gonna apply some glue. Wait, like this. That's why I don't use the glue gun. Just come up like that. Wait, can you say the second? Like that. Now like that. Now that need to face a little bit. Okay, can you hold it for a little? We want 2 straight lines. Here they are. And we want to make like a bow. Okay, remember, this is how we're going to make it. We want a straight line. And carefully, just go to the top one. Find some way to try it. Okay. Need here. You can make any size you want still. And here it is. Time to apply some glue to it. Applied it. Okay, couldn't it. Okay, just gotta make it. Now with our fan, So let's take the flowers from, say, a third. And how you're okay, we got the bow. And we want another bow. Let's take the other strip. And wait until this dries. Until this dries, we're gonna make the other one, okay? Okay, now we want glue. We hold it for some little bits. Okay. Okay. I think. Oh. Okay. That's we can find. Okay. Some lot of strips for me. Wait, I'm gonna make it up. Can I have some glue, please? Okay, I'm gonna apply it here. Look, we're feeling it's a little bit tricky for you, so ask for your moms again. It's a little bit tricky for us too. We're making it slowly. Look at it. We got 2 bows. Wait, I want to make it a little bit bigger. Wait until they dry. Okay. We're going to be using the flowers later. Wait. Okay, so now it's dry. Okay. Can you please? Okay, now we're gonna stick these things. Okay, we want now we to apply some glue. We want to apply normal glue, not hot glue. Hot glue is a little bit hard and tricky for us. And this is even tricky for me. Maybe a little bit. Okay. But we want to leave a lot of like this. Okay. Now you pick it. Glue it. You had to. Okay, I'm gonna apply some glue. Okay, I'm gonna apply some glue there. And just stick it here. Wait until the glue dries. Then we can make the flower. We don't want the flowers for a little wait. We have orange. We want to wait some minutes. Okay. I have orange, blue, and purple, and white, and red, and green, and yellow. Okay, orange, the dark yellow. Can you please have yellow? Yellow is okay. I think now it's dry. Just need the fan slowly a little bit big. It wants to be a little bit bigger. Okay, we want to apply some glue to these flowers. Take a okay. Now use it and red one, please. Oh. I don't want a gray one. I want some flowers now. Carefully put some glue on the middle like this, okay? And stick them on slowly. Don't stick them faster or they could then take it out. The green color. And it's a little bit pretty now. A little bit with Q-tip. You want some like a roller? Like a roller. I want these 2 colors are good. Like this. Glue it on there. And take a 1 orange flower. I want some lots of glue, please. This one, and attach some flowers to the bow too. Not in the middle. Shall I use this board, please? No, okay. Oh, sorry. Shall I give this one, please? It's a little bit bigger. Oh, wait. Like this. No, please stop. Now we need to keep. This one is a little bit big, so touch this one. Let's touch this place. Touch. Should we get it? Okay. The last one is gonna be staying here. Now this needs to dry a little bit, then we'll make. Okay, whatsoever. I wanna try it. Wait, it's a little bit. Black glue. Okay, this is our fan. Wait for some seconds. It hasn't dried. And we have seconds. And I think it's now dry. And we have 3 fans for me. Now we'll take that. Thank you for looking at our episode.